Muster stations are critical safety zones on ships, designed to ensure that all crew and passengers know where to go in case of an emergency. These designated areas are not just random spots. They play a vital role in maritime safety protocols. But where did this concept originate? Historically, the need for muster stations can be traced back to the early days of seafaring. As ships grew larger and more complex, the potential for emergencies increased. The Titanic disaster in 1912 was a pivotal moment that highlighted the dire consequences of inadequate safety measures. Following that tragedy, the maritime industry recognized the necessity of structured evacuation procedures, leading to the establishment of muster stations as a standard practice. So, what exactly is a muster station? In simple terms, it's a location on a ship where passengers and crew gather in the event of an emergency. Each muster station is equipped with safety equipment and is often marked with clear signage. The purpose is to facilitate a swift and organized response during crises, whether it's a fire, flooding, or any other emergency situation. Now, let's talk about why these stations are required. The primary reason is safety. In emergencies, every second counts, and having a predetermined gathering point helps to ensure that everyone is accounted for quickly. It also allows crew members to execute emergency protocols efficiently, minimizing chaos and confusion. Regulatory requirements for muster stations are primarily governed by the International Convention for the Safety of Life at Sea, or SOLAS. These regulations mandate that all passenger ships must have clearly marked muster stations, conduct regular drills, and ensure that all personnel are trained in emergency procedures. Compliance with SOLAS not only enhances safety, but also builds trust among passengers, knowing that their well-being is prioritized. In addition to regulatory compliance, effective communication is key. Crew members must be trained to guide passengers to muster stations calmly and efficiently. Regular drills are essential as they help everyone become familiar with the process, reducing panic during real emergencies. To optimize safety further, ships often use visual aids and announcements to remind passengers of muster station locations. This proactive approach ensures that everyone knows where to go, even if they are unfamiliar with the ship's layout. In summary, muster stations are more than just a safety requirement. They are a crucial part of maritime culture that reflects our commitment to protecting lives at sea. Understanding their history, purpose, and regulatory framework not only enhances our knowledge, but also reinforces the importance of safety in the maritime industry.